It's said that sport plays a pivotal role in a school's program, but not many schools can afford to fund a proper sports program, much less to maintain the facilities. One of those schools is Central High in Clarendon.
According to coach of Central High, Jermaine Douglas, they have been hurdling some serious challenges at the school. Douglas says everything sporting-wise at the school has been funded by the institution. The playing surface at the Clarendon-based school has left a lot to be desired and help is needed.
I keep telling people everything we have done here is a miracle. And I know a person on the outside are expecting a lot. But when you come in and see what we have to work with, it's a miracle. We had over 40 students on the field yesterday. That small little field around here with the stones and all that. We had over 40 students at training yesterday evening, various age groups.
The school has been competing in the different age groups in rural area football. They even contested the 2022 Da Costa Cup final against Clarendon College.
This school has been doing well in both the Da Costa Cup and the Under 16 for a few years. Most of the students have never seen the team play. We have to travel for all our home games and our away games, so that too is a financial burden on the school. And so we would welcome any assistance in getting our playing surface up to an acceptable standard.
Samba Sports in the parish has so far been the first to come to their aid with a donation of $3 million.
We are more than happy. For years, as a school, we would have been financing our sports program with little support from corporate Jamaica. So today, although you say it's a drop in the bucket, it's more than a drop in the bucket. It is more than enough. However, we would want a little bit more because we don't have a play field. So we would love for somebody from corporate Jamaica to partner with Samba too, to ensure that we have a play field that our boys can do well.
According to Samba Green, corporate Clarendon needs to follow his lead in giving their support.
Sometimes these programs are good partners, but it has to be more than just me. Some of the other businesses in the parish should see it fit to adapt a program, whether it's their past school or whether it's a school close by. It's a partnership.
Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.